Hello dear students, my name is Narayan Palav and I welcome all of you to the lockdown special video series of Kshitij classes. Friends, in our earlier two videos we have learnt about the basics of parts of speech and about nouns. In this video we are going to learn about pronouns. So let's start. Read this paragraph. Priya has a dog. Priya takes Priya's dog for a walk daily. Then Priya feeds the dog. The dog wags the dog's tail whenever the dog sees Priya. So pretty confusing, right? Just too many Priyas and too many dogs in this paragraph. So let us modify it a little and read it again. Priya has a dog. She takes it for a walk daily. Then she feeds it. The dog wags its tail whenever it sees Priya. So now this sounds much better. And why it is sounding much better? Because the nouns Priya and dog have been replaced by the pronouns she and it in most of the places. So friends, with this example, we come to know that it is not a good idea to use the nouns again and again. Instead, it is always better to replace the nouns with proper pronoun. So what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Let us understand this with more examples. Megha and Sudha are best friends. They play together every morning. Okay. So pardon me, it is not morning, it is every evening. So here Sudha and Megha, these are the names of persons. So both are nouns and we have replaced it with a pronoun that is they. Okay. They like going to the garden because it is very big. So instead of repeating the noun, okay, garden is a name of a place. So instead of repeating that noun, what we have done, we have replaced it with a pronoun that is it. Okay. Sudha has a dog. She brings it along to the garden. So here, dog, which is a name of an animal, it is a noun, and we have replaced it again with it, a pronoun. Megha and Sudha throw the frisbee, and a frisbee is a name of a toy, so it is a noun, and the dog catches it. So instead of saying the dog catches the frisbee, so instead of repeating the word frisbee, we can replace it with it. Okay. Honesty and punctuality are good qualities. We all should try to inculcate them. So instead of repeating the names of the qualities, honesty and punctuality, we have replaced it with a pronoun them. Okay. So these are the different pronouns that we can use in place of a noun. Now let us see the types of pronoun. Okay. The first type of pronouns are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns which are indicating a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Okay. In this personal pronoun, there are two different type of pronouns. One is subjective pronoun and one is objective pronoun. Now let us first see the subjective pronoun. A subjective pronoun is a pronoun that is doing the action. Okay, it is doing the action. Action karne wala. That means in Marathi and Hindi we call it the karta. Okay, and in a sentence it is placed before the verb. Okay, so let us see how many such subjective pronouns are there. There are total 7. Let us see them one by one. So the first one is I. For example, I teach in Kshitij classes. So instead of using my name, Narayan Palav teaches in Kshitij classes, I can replace it with the pronoun I. Okay, we. Now we, you and me are learning English, but instead of taking my name and your name, I can simply use the word we. Okay, we are studying English. Then you, suppose if I want you to do something, so instead of taking your name, I can say you should pay attention. Okay. Now they, see, our family members are all around us and they are watching us. So instead of saying family members, I can use the pronoun they. They are watching us. Okay? Now my brother is working from home, but instead of saying my brother, I can say he. He is working from home. Okay. Now my wife is also looking at me and laughing. Okay. She cannot figure out why I am talking so fast today. So instead of saying my wife, I can say she is laughing at me. Fine. 8. Okay, I'm looking at my watch and the watch is warning me that the video is getting longer. So the watch is ticking. Okay, it is ticking, I can say. Fine. So these are the subjective pronouns. Now let us look at the objective pronouns. Now objective pronouns are the pronouns which are receiving the action. Okay, कि जो काम कर नहीं रहे हैं उनके ऊपर काम किया जा रहा है. Fine. And in a sentence they come after the verb. Okay, in Hindi and Marathi we call them karma. Okay, so just like there are 7 subjective pronouns, there are 7 objective pronouns. Okay, so the first one is me. Fine. For example, the clock is warning me. Okay, the clock is giving me the warning. So I cannot say the clock is warning I. I will have to say the clock is warning me. Now us. Raju sir teaches us geometry. So teaching करने का काम कौन कर रहा है? राजू सर. और किसे पढ़ाया जा रहा है? हमें. So us. Okay. Can we say Raju sir teaches we geometry? No, that will be wrong. Next is you. The spelling is same. Just instead of capital Y, we have small y. This video will help you understand pronouns. So here, who is doing the work of helping? It is done by the video. और किसे help होने वाली है? You. Okay, so you is a objective pronoun. Now they subjective pronoun जो है, it will become them in objective pronoun. For example, we should salute them. Okay, all the corona warriors who are fighting outside with the disease, we should all salute them. Okay, he will become him. Suppose if I go outside and I meet any police officer, then I will cooperate with him. Okay, so cooperation का काम करने वाला कौन है? I. So I is subjective pronoun. और किससे cooperation मिलेगा? Him. So him is a objective pronoun. Similarly, she will become her. Okay, I wished her Eid Mubarak. Okay, today it is Eid and I called my friend in the morning and I wished her Eid Mubarak. It. Okay, here also it remains same only, but small I is used instead of capital I. I got a haircut today, obviously at my home, and I love it. Okay, I love this haircut. Fine. So it is also a subjective pronoun. Okay, in this sentence. Okay. So here we saw the personal pronouns. Now let us go to the next type of pronouns, that are pronouns showing possession. Okay, possession means belonging, ownership. कि कोई भी चीज जो है वो किसको बिलोंग करती है, वो किसकी है, ये बताने वाले जो प्रोनाउंस है उन्हें कहते हैं प्रोनाउन शोइंग पोजेशन. In this again there are two categories. One is possessive adjectives and one is possessive pronouns. Okay, now possessive adjectives come before the noun. Okay, जिस किसी चीज के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं उसके पहले यानी before that thing, these are called as possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns come after the noun. Okay, so let us see this with the examples. Just like now we have 7 subjective pronouns and objective pronouns, there are also 7 possessive pronouns. Okay, and see all these subjective, objective and possessive, are they talking about different people? No. For example, जब मैं I, me और my ऐसे बोलता हूँ तो I am talking about myself. Okay, I am not talking about 3 different people. Okay, so वैसे ही when we say we, us or our, we are talking about the same people. We are not talking about different people. Fine. So let us understand this with examples. So the first is my. So this is my book. Okay, so ये मेरी किताब है. So see, book is a noun and उसके पहले हमने use किया है possessive adjective. Okay. Next is our. This is our house. Okay. Your. What is your name? So name is a noun and I want to ask your name. आपका नाम पूछना है. So your is a possessive adjective. There. My neighbors are painting their house. कि मेरे जो पड़ोसी है वो उनका घर पेंट कर रहे हैं. There. Fine. His. Rohan forgot his book at home. Okay. Her. Sudha takes good care of her dog. Okay, वो उसके कुत्ते का बहुत ही अच्छा ख्याल रखती है. So see, all these are possessive adjectives. Its. Don't ride that bicycle. Its tire is flat. Okay, उस साइकिल का पहिया. Okay, its tire. So instead of saying the bicycle's tire, I can say its tire. Okay, so these are the 7 possessive adjectives. Now let us have a quick look at the possessive pronouns. Fine. So the possessive pronouns will be used after the noun. Okay, for example, mine. This book is mine. Okay, so when we used my, we said this is my book. So my comes before the word book, but here in this case mine is coming after the word book. Okay, so this book is mine. Similarly, ours. This house is ours. Okay, then yours. This is my bag. Where is yours? Okay, so we are talking about the noun bag, and where is yours? Right? So we can say where is your bag, but why to repeat the noun again? So instead of repeating the noun, we are using possessive pronoun. Where is yours? Fine. There will become theirs. That big house is theirs. Okay. Then his will remain his only, but the use will be after the noun. For example, Rohan and I both have tickets. This one is mine and that one is his. Okay. So instead of saying his ticket, we are saying that one is his. Okay. यहाँ पे जो one है, it is used for ticket only. Okay. Next one is her will become hers. Okay. Add your name to the list and add hers too. कि आपका खुद का नाम भी ऐड करो लिस्ट में और उस लड़की का भी नाम ऐड करो. So instead of saying that girl's name, we can say simply hers. Okay. And last one is its, but its does not have any possessive pronoun. Okay. Fine. So friends, we have seen 4 different type of pronouns in this video. I hope you have understood them. There is one more type of pronoun which is called as reflexive pronoun, but that will be your assignment. You have to find out which are the reflexive pronouns and try to make one sentence with each reflexive pronoun. Okay. So friends, with this we come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe, but keep learning. Bye for now.